Have you ever wondered why your cookies didn't rise or why your pancakes turned out flat? The secret could be missing one key ingredient, something acidic. Think of baking soda like a balloon waiting to be inflated. It needs an acid, like lemon juice or vinegar, to pump it full of air bubbles, giving your baked goods that light, fluffy texture we all love. Starting with the history of baking soda, it has been around for thousands of years in various forms. In ancient Egypt, Egyptians used a form of baking soda for cleaning, but the modern form of baking soda was developed in 1846. Baking soda became popular as a leavening agent in baking and is now widely used for cleaning and personal care. For the chemistry of baking soda reacting with an acid, in the first step, sodium bicarbonate reacts with hydrogen ions from the acid, forming carbonic acid and releasing sodium ions. In the second step, carbonic acid is unstable and quickly breaks down into water and carbon dioxide gas, which is released when the acid is added, making your baked goods rise. I will show a quick demo of how this reaction happens. I will be using vinegar as the acidic ingredient and water as a control. For my first bowl, I'll be adding water, which is a neutral liquid, and see how it reacts with baking soda. As we can see from this reaction, no bubbles are produced from the water in the baking soda. But looking at the second bowl, when I add the vinegar, the reaction starts to bubble and release gas. The gas being released is carbon dioxide, which helps your baked goods rise. Hi guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating why you need an acidic ingredient when making something with baking soda. So today I'm going to be making muffins, one with buttermilk and one with milk. For this recipe, I'll be combining 1 egg in each bowl, half cup of milk or buttermilk, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. After mixing the wet ingredients together, I'll combine the dry ingredients, which consist of 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of the ingredients until no flour is showing. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. There are many roles that baking soda reacting with an acid plays in baking, such as acting as a leavening agent, balancing flavor, and tenderizing dough. The acidic ingredient reacting with the baking soda breaks down gluten, making the dough softer and more tender. As we can see, the results from the bread with the buttermilk are a lot more lighter in color than the bread made with milk. This reaction is caused by the acid releasing carbon dioxide from the heat to help make the bread rise and more fluffy. We also saw this reaction take place in the oven while the muffins were cooking. Consumers look for the appealing color. The bread with the baking soda is more light and flavorful as opposed to a dark and bitter taste. In conclusion, an acidic ingredient is needed with baking soda to produce carbon dioxide gas, which makes baked goods rise and gives them a light, airy texture. Without acid, baking soda won't activate, resulting in a dense, flat product.